Hi, Kat. Congratulations first and foremost sa bagang endorsement. Now, was it really hard for them to convince you to endorse Maxi Mango?
No, not at all. As in, mabilis lang lahat. And actually, yung buong process, first nag-meeting kami with them, and then we did the it's yung contract signing talaga, and then after nun, nag-ano na agad kami, pictorial, and then itong TVC. Ang bilis lahat kasi ang bilis kausap nila, and hindi ako nagdalawang isip kasi ang sarap ng product. Natikman niyo naman po lahat, no?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, yung sa TVC, sumasayaw ako. Natural yung lahat kasi nag-enjoy ako ng shoot namin kasi I really like sweets, I like ice cream, so perfect siya for me. Kaya I'm really happy they got me.
Okay, among the flavors that has been introduced today, what particular one catched your attention?
Aside from the original, na-torn ako between the ube and the cheese kasi super fan ako ng pareho. And then, nung sa shoot, tinanong nila ako anong nagustuhan ko, and yun yung top 2 ko, pero yung nagustuhan ko talaga yung cheese, and then the next one is ube. Yun. Kayo, ano nagustuhan niyo po? Ano? Cheese? Sinulit. Masarap, super sarap siya, and fan ako ng cheese, mahilig ako sa ice cream, mahilig ako sa mangga. So, pinagsama-sama lahat ng favorites ko, kaya, ayun, ang saya, ang sarap.
A little off topic, but are you currently studying right now, or what are your plans in the future?
Diba narinig niyo before, I tried going back. Nag-enteron ako for a while, pero medyo nahirapan talaga with my schedule as of now. So, nag-decide muna kami ng mom ko na stop muna ngayon kasi medyo hindi kaya talaga sa schedule kasi yun yung wala talaga ang tulog from taping, diretso. So, may nagsusuffer talaga na isa. So, I talked to my manager, Tita Lulu, and she told me na siguro ngayon, focus muna dito sa trabaho. And then, of course, babalikan natin yan pag meron ng enough time ako. Sana, let's see, this year or maybe next year, it's never too late naman to go back.
Alright, thank you so much, dear.
Thank you.
Thank you, John. Okay, next question, please. Raise your hands. Hi.
Hi, dear. I'm good. Nag-imagine. To ano mo na, yung sa mga owners, paano yung pinili si Catherine Bernardo as a representative of your brand? And what specific quality of Catherine that perfectly describes your product?
Hello? Sorry. Maxi Mango, from the very beginning, we've always said that it's proudly Filipino. We used to say na proudly Davao kami because that's where my husband and I are from. But mango talaga is one of the best products that comes from the Philippines. So for Maxi Mango, we wanted to choose something that was also very proudly pure Filipino.
Anong meron like, di ba sabi nila, yung manga sweet and all, ganyan. So, nung nakita niyo si Catherine, sabi niyo, ay, siya talaga yung perfect for Maxi Mango. What specific quality yung nakita niyo kay Catherine?
She's very sweet po as a person. We knew that already before because when we were OFWs pa ni Ivan in London, we look forward to go home every day because nanonood kami ng Mara Clara. So she's really sweet, and I don't know, for Maxi Mango, I guess we're doing our pinaka best to get only the sweet mangoes for our product and for all the stores.
Thank you. Congrats. Yun yan. Yung tagline mo dito is Maxi Mango, my true love.
Yes.
Paano yun, di ba nagselo si DJ?
Support siya dito, naiintindihan niya. Ibang usapan ko. Alam niya, true love ko pagkain. Oh my God, napapasaya niya ako ng food, and ang hilig-hilig ko sa sweet. So, pareho sila. Nalawin ko. Pero yeah, ibang usapan naman to. And ever since supportive si DJ. And excited nga ako ipagkaya sa kanya to, sinasabi ko sa kanya.
How do you keep your body fit considering na ang hilig mo sa sweets, di ba?
Siguro, binabalance lang din. Kasi hindi ko kaya i-give up ang sweet. So, ako kasi yung type of person na every afternoon kailangan ko mag-end ng dessert. So, I make sure na pag may oras talaga, I go to the gym. So, nagsicycling and then Pilates. So, yun, medyo kailangan din, kasi di naman pwede puro kain lang. So, tamang balance lang din and tikim-tikim lang.
Alright, thank you so much. Do we have more questions? Meron pa po ba tayo? Here.
Hello, Captain Raj, and my question goes to the owners. How do you maintain and paano nyo na-anticipate yung pangangailangan nyo sa mango just because ang haba-haba ng pila at mabilis maubos? So paano nyo nilimitin yung stocks nyo?
Our mangoes are cargo shipped straight from Davao. So usually we already have the proper estimation of how many boxes ang ginagamit per branch per day. So we always make sure we have enough mangoes in the branch. And usually when a branch closes early, it's not because nauubusan sila ng mango. It's more like nauubusan sila ng sizes ng cups or nauubusan sila ng graham crackers. Because we did reach the point before where mas nahirapan pa kami to source graham crackers kaysa sa mango. So we have no problem at all with the amount of mangoes that they deliver. Right now, Maxi Mango uses between 1.2 to 1.5 tons per day across all our 21 branches. So we have no problem with that. So far, we've never encountered a mango problem.